Well, here at Bangor Cathedral, we have a performance of Messiah by Handel, and it tells the story of the life of Jesus. Part 1 is about the birth of Jesus, Part 2 is about his passion, and ultimately Part 3 is about his resurrection. And Handel sets biblical texts to music, and some of them have become very iconic. Of course, everyone knows the Hallelujah chorus, and it is very much a centerpiece. This year, we're doing it on Sunday, February the 11th at 6 p.m, a pivotal moment in the church's year as we look backwards towards Christmas, but also forward towards Lent and Easter. We're going to be doing parts 2 and 3 of Messiah, and it will include some choruses which are familiar to you, but it will include some solos and choruses which you perhaps might not have heard before. We've got some great instrumentalists coming, and soloists are drawn from our own choral scholars here at the Cathedral. So 6 p.m. on Sunday the 11th.